Wait, I've been recording this whole time? Oh my god.
Are you still looking at me? Why you looking at me? Why you looking at me? Why you I see you looking at me, yeah.
Hi guys, it's me Daisy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, hi. So as you guys can see, I have a new chair. Look at it. It spins and it's really nice. And if you're wondering where I got it from, I got it from IKEA. I hope you guys like my background. I have my I have a candle. Thought that would be nice and fancy, I guess. So I bet you guys are wondering why or what we're doing here today. Well, so lately I've been kind of getting good at makeup sometimes. So like I'm like, why not do a makeup tutorial? Well, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna try my best. I really am not a makeup artist. I just know how to do one look. But today we're gonna try a different look. A look that I haven't not tried before, but I want to try it. And I'm not really good at makeup tutorials because I get carried away and I get frustrated and then I get frustrated and then I'm like, you know what, I don't want to do this anymore. But you know what, this makeup look is going to turn out really good. Just watch. The only problem I have is that I'm not really good at, like I said, explaining things. So that's going to be a little bit hard to do, but we got this. So first things first, we gotta put our hair up. Okay, so now that I have my hair up, I'm gonna be using this Mario Badescu skincare. I don't think I read that right, but yeah, it's rose water. So then make sure you wet your beauty blender. I know it looks kind of bad, but yeah. Then I use this e.l.f. thing. It's a primer. Once you put it on, whatever, it's really soft and whatever. I like to do my face first before eyeshadow. So since it's like a fancy look that we're going for, we're gonna go in with this. I've been using it and I like it in the shade 101 because I'm pale. So yeah, we're just gonna put that all over our face and set our face, you know what I mean? Like, just set the tone for my face. I have a mirror. Oh, we'll fix that. Don't worry, y'all. Next, I use this CoverGirl concealer. I used to have this other one, but can't find it anymore. So that's sad. So I use this one now. So we're just gonna do triangles under our eyes. I like to put some on my forehead and then like sometimes like outlining my nose like this, and then some under my nose because that area gets red a lot. So once your face looks kind of like this, oh yeah, put it on your chin too. I don't know if I said that. You're just gonna blend it. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. Oh my god, look at me being a beauty guru. Next, I use this powder. I know, if you're an OG, you know that I don't use powder, but lately I've been using powder because my face has been getting like oily. I use this brush because I don't like using the thing. I like the sponge. It's too soft. I don't want to dirty it. It's so cute. But yeah, I don't know how this works. I don't know how powder works, but I'm just gonna put it all over my face because I mean it works, I think. Next, I use Hoola as my bronzer slash contour, same thing, and I still use the same brush. If you're an OG, you know what I mean. Well, what I do is basically go, and I'm just, you know, put that on the line, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna put it on our forehead. Yeah. And then we're gonna put it on our sides. Well, I do that because I feel like it makes my face look skinnier even though it doesn't. Then we're gonna put it under our jaw. You know what I mean? Yeah. And then we're gonna put it on our neck. Then I get this brush to contour. I know, look at that. So then I'm gonna get this tiny brush. It's an eyeshadow brush, but I use it for my nose. And basically, I just put it right here. I don't like my nose. I want a different nose, but my sister is poor right now. Next, I put on blush. So we're gonna get this brush, and we're gonna put it a little bit, because this morning I was putting on blush for school, and I put too much, and I wanted crying. Now we're just gonna blend with the same blending brush I use for my bronzer. And there's like a makeup artist right now watching, and they're just like, this ain't it, sis. And I'm just like, okay, now I have a lot of highlighters. I have this one, I got this one, I got this one, I got a lot. I get this brush, put it on my e.l.f. highlighter. You've seen it before. We've all seen it before. I know people are like, first of all, why are you doing your makeup in the dark? Second of all, I do my eyeshadow before my face. I know there's people out there, I know y'all, but I'm gonna be here doing my makeup the way I do it, because it makes me happy, and that's what matters. Next is eyebrows, and I'm not gonna film that because I know you guys are gonna make fun of me doing my eyebrows, so I'm sorry. I can't teach you how to do eyebrows. I can barely teach myself how to do eyebrows. After eyebrows, I do my eyes. So we're gonna do our eyeshadow. So we're gonna get our concealer again, and we're gonna put it on our eyelid. So then we're gonna get our beauty blender. We're just gonna blend it on our eye. The brushes I'm gonna be using are these two, the big fluffy one and the middle fluffy one. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna be using this Morphe palette. I don't know which one it is. I just know it's a Morphe palette, and that's it. So here's the... Okay, so first we're gonna get our big fluffy brush. We're gonna get this brush, and we're gonna go in with Go Nude. And we're just gonna put it all over our eyelid. Next, we're gonna go in with, what was that one called? I think it was Turned On. And we're gonna go right here. We're just gonna put it in the outer, and then make it go all the way to the top. But slowly, make sure it's like, the dark is right here, and then slowly faded near your eyebrow. Next, we're gonna use this brush, and we're gonna go in with, what was it? It started with a T. Basically next to Turned On, and it's like a purple color, and we're just gonna do it in the inner corner as well, and then just make it go to here, and then like spread it out. Then we're gonna go in with Seduced, which is a dark purple, and we're gonna put it on our, again, right there. And this time just make it, don't go in the inner corner, just the outer. So like that. We're gonna go back in with the T word one. I do not know what that is. And we're gonna go in the inner corner like that. And then we're gonna go back to Turned On, and we're gonna put it on the top. Next, we're gonna get our concealer. We're gonna use this brush, and we're gonna put it in our, we're gonna cut the crease. We're gonna go in with Swoon, and we're gonna put it right here. And we're gonna go in with this brush, and we're gonna go in with Swipe Right. Next, we're gonna go in with this brush, and we're gonna go in with, again, the famous, you know what, I'm mad right now, so like I really don't want to explain to you guys what I'm doing right now, because I'm mad at myself. Like, does this look good to you? It does not. Fine, I'll tell you. I'm using Moon, French Kiss, and Swipe Right. So I finished this side. Next, we're gonna be using these lashes. Before that, we're gonna curl our eyelashes and put on this mascara. So let's do that. Okay, there we go. So then we let it dry for 10 seconds. So this is my lash. Pretty nice, huh? So then I'm gonna get eyeliner. Next, I'm gonna be using my setting spray from NYX, and we're just gonna spray it on. Oh, I use this. I hope you guys like this video, and like this video if you think I should be a beauty guru. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is how it looks like in the dark. If you guys liked my video, make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.